What is going on, everybody? We are doing the 1500 subscriber giveaway. I want to start off and just say thank you so much to everybody that's checked out the channel, checked out the videos, checked out the live streams. Hopefully you guys are enjoying those. Let me know in the comments below if you like the live streams. I'm going to be doing a lot more of them. They're very entertaining to make because it's basically gives me a chance to paint with you guys, and it's kind of like hanging out with friends while you're working on your hobby. So it's been super fun. This giveaway is kind of a weird one, I guess, but I'm going to give away these classic Citadel paints. Now, all of them are used except for this one, so it's not like all brand new pots. But some people, I think, would really enjoy getting a chance to use some of these old GW paints, or it's possible they have an army they started in the 90s and early 2000s maybe that they would, love to get a chance to get some of these colors that maybe they've been using for a long time and they're getting low on. So it's just a fun giveaway. The rules to enter are very, very simple. Like this video, comment on this video, and in your comment let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future, and subscribe to the channel. So you have to like the video, you have to comment on the video and tell me what kind of videos you would like in the future, and you have to be a subscriber. And on May 8th I will pick a random comment, and that's how we're going to pick the winner. So it's going to be May 8th, picking a random comment. Please, if you can, share this video. Some painters would love probably to get a chance to play with some of these old paints. I know some groups on Facebook don't want you to share YouTube videos to them, but if you have a group or a community that you can share this video to, or on your own Facebook, if you like sharing hobby videos on your own Facebook, please go ahead and share this video. It helps out a lot, but that's not required to enter. It just really does help out. So I just want to show you here what you're getting. This one here is polished blue. This bottle's probably in the worst shape out of all of them, but I'll show you in here. This is like a royal blue metallic. And I'm actually working on a metallic Eldar army right now, and this would be really nice for some Dire Avengers or some metallic Ultramarines. So definitely worth checking out. The next one is amethyst purple. This is the metallic purple from GW. These colors, this one's almost completely full too. These colors are probably pretty rare. I don't think GW's made colored metallics for a long time, and certainly not this intense of colors. The next one is glistening green. This one is a classic. You could definitely see some crazy Dark Angels or maybe some Necrons. This would be cool on some Necron weapons. If you didn't like those green rods, a nice green metallic paint, an emerald green. And I'm just opening them to show you that, there's paint in them. No guarantee that, it's the best paint ever. It's old, but this one is hilarious. This is Vomit Brown. This is a classic brown. If you used to paint Skaven, you might have used this as like their flesh color, and then the next color we have as their fur. So this is Vomit Brown. This one's just amazingly hilarious. These bottles are 17.5 mil. I don't know what the current bottles are. Obviously they're not full, but let me show you here. And this one's, that's a lot of Vomit Brown. If I know what you want for your birthday. Vomit Brown. The next one, this one's the most empty out of all of them. I don't know how much value you're going to get out of this one, but this is Vermin Fur. This was like the go-to Skaven paint. All Skaven were painted like this. And like wolves and horses and stuff back then. There is still paint in here, but it's definitely on the lower end. But you'll still get at least a regimen or two of your clan rats done. So vermin fur. This one here, red wash. Some of these old washes like armor wash and stuff are very, very sought after. So somebody might really want this. This one's going to be really pretty nice for lenses, or you could paint like a demon's eyes yellow and then put a little red wash on it to wash the recesses. And it's basically a nice just red ink, but in a wash. So that one's cool. And this one is the pride and joy, because it's not open. It's not even open yet. A brand new 1905 Citadel color purple wash. All the way from before Henry Ford invented the automobile. Brand new purple wash. You could wash so many models purple with this. And actually, if you did this purple metallic and then hit it with a purple wash, that might make a cool effect. I can't try it because this isn't open yet. So that's it. It's just a fun giveaway. It's the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. I'll probably be doing a big giveaway at 2,000. So I'd love for this video to help get me to 2,000 subscribers. And then we're going to give away something really nice. Because, 2,000 is a big milestone. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And I'd love to see what you're working on. If you win this, please only enter if you plan on maybe using it. I don't want you to just resell them on eBay. But of course I can't stop you. But if you do win, I'd love to see the models you paint, especially with these colored metallics. You could just use them for gemstones or whatever, but I bet you could come up with some cool ideas. So love to see what you're working on. Love to hear from you. Look forward to seeing the comments. And May 8th, we'll pick a winner. Thank you.